We are Unknown Works. We're an architecture and design studio based in the heart of Dalston. We are three friends that graduated about a decade ago and have been working ever since.
Our backgrounds are really varied. As directors of the practice, we've worked in many different fields. We're based in Dalston, just above Gillett Square. There's a lot going on outside our window, which is amazing for us because it means that we can get to see all of the things that make us happy. It's people, it's city, it's the intensity of cities and environment coming together, and it's also buildings.
One of the key focuses of the practice has always been centred around people.
It's all about experience. It's all about the manifestation of people and the things that they do together.
One of our first self-initiated projects, Space Gap Pavilion, was really focusing on the lived experience within the city, dealing with the housing crisis in and around London and the divide of space distribution.
Really, when we started looking at a project like Scott's, which was the fish and chip shop in Chengdu, China, we wanted to start with the intimate experience of eating and the idiosyncrasies of all the things that you find on a table.
We're really interested in how we can take two places on the other side of the world and create a dialogue between them through architecture.
Being a studio in the middle of Dalston lends ourselves to working quite closely with interesting neighbours, including musicians and artists. At the same time, the rural-urban condition contrast actually interests us a lot. So the Bright Box was an off-grid community centre that was formed out of a shipping container.
We were interested in looking at how something as simple as a shipping container could be turned into a really core piece of infrastructure for a local community. So it folds in information provision, it folds in technology, and it was also creating a space for a community to gather, which is fast becoming a city.
As a studio, we're really intrigued by making things, and starting from initial tests to seeing the final piece fabricated on site.
We often say that we like to take things to the nth degree. We like to see exactly how a material can perform at its best. One of the most fun projects that we worked on quite recently was a Pigment House. We really wanted to go to town with concrete. So all the way throughout the house, we have different layers, different textures, different tones. For Scott, we digitally LiDAR scanned the spaces, the tables, the little trinkets on each one of those tables. We took that information to create a library, and then we translated that information into the sliding and folding panels that created the store. It's about taking your research, taking ideas, taking narrative, and making them concrete. We're in architecture because we want to build things.